Tragedy struck in Owerri, the Imo State capital, on Saturday after a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress, Damian Ali, was allegedly beaten to death by the owner of Swift Tel Pharmacy and his workers. Our correspondent learnt that the incident caused pandemonium at Umuguma Junction in the World Bank area of Owerri. It took the intervention of personnel of the Owerri Police Divisional Headquarters to restore normalcy in the area. Southern City News learned that the deceased was from Nkarahu in the Ohaji/Egbema local government area of Imo State and until his death, a chieftain of the ruling APC. A kinsman of the deceased, Mr. Dominic Okpor, told our correspondent on Sunday that the pharmacist and his staff beat Ali to death while the victim was trying to park his car in front of the business premises.